Hello and welcome to the Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions for Account Managers course. In this course, you will examine the features, functions, advantages, and benefits of Cisco's collaboration solutions for midsize businesses, including Cisco's flagship offer, the Cisco Business Edition 6000. You will gain an understanding of the Cisco Business Edition 6000 collaboration services that can improve the customer business case and reduce total cost of ownership. This course includes the following modules: Business Drivers for Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions, Understanding the Value of Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions, Increasing the Value of Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions, and Best Practices, Business Use Cases, and Sales Support Resources. Let's move on to the first module, Business Drivers for Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions. In this module, we'll discuss the following topics: requirements for new business capabilities, customer pain points and challenges, evolution and relevance of collaboration, and reveal collaboration challenges, and opportunities in the midsize market. Let's start by looking at the changing requirements for new business capabilities. At Cisco, collaboration is about different people and teams coming together, communicating with each other, and working together toward a common goal. The figure illustrates some of the technologies that businesses are using to support collaboration. Collaboration can be as simple as an email, a phone call, a text message, or chat. Collaboration can be people coming together in a project room with a screen to share information, or a phone or video conference to involve remote attendees. You can also collaborate with others in a call or a web conference from a smartphone, laptop, or tablet. And when you collaborate, you can include people outside your organization to find a solution to help your customers, partners, and suppliers. Now, you might be thinking, my customers are collaborating fine today. Why do I need these tools? And how will they help my customer meet its goals and business objectives? Let's think about what's happening in the workplace that might cause you to reimagine how your customers are collaborating. How have your customers' work environments changed in recent years? What trends do you anticipate in their work environments? In the past, employees did a lot more individual work. Today, work has become far more interdependent. The vast majority of employees report an increase in work that requires active collaboration. Many employees were part of fixed, long-term teams with defined roles and responsibilities. Today, the teams are far more flexible and agile. For example, in the past, you may have worked with colleagues in your immediate team or location on long-term strategic plans with stable reporting lines. Today, many organizations are involved in multiple quarterly projects and initiatives that span multifunctional teams. In fact, today, self-forming flash teams are short-lived and focused on point-in-time initiatives. In the past, employees worked in the same office, but today, people are working from anywhere. According to Frost & Sullivan market research in 2014, almost 25% of employees are remote or mobile workers. Collaboration technology helps ensure that remote and mobile employees are adequately engaged and can support business continuity strategy, for example, in case of adverse weather events. But these changes are not limited to the way employees engage with each other. Your customers' expectations of good service are also changing. Fueled by anytime, any place, and device always-on connectivity, and compounded by busy, time-limited personal lives, your customers want the power to get what they need whenever they want it from a variety of sources, and you want to give them that power. But allocating resources in this new world of anytime, anywhere, any device access can be challenging. At one time, your sales desk or customer service desk could predict the volume and timing of incoming customer calls and staff accordingly. Different regions called at different times. Some people called from work, while others called from home after dinner. You could staff cost-effectively according to predicted call volumes. Has your company committed to mobile? In 2014, Gartner reported that less than 5% of organizations had a mobile customer service strategy. By 2015, Gartner reported that at least 60% of Internet users opt for mobile customer service as their first option. Customers are also using online resources like Twitter, Facebook, search engines, forums, and online communities to gather information about a product or service. Once customers gather information about that product or service, they reach out to the contact center to get their final few questions answered and perhaps to place an order. Mobility has changed the requirements for allocating call center resources. Customers make calls while waiting in traffic or when they have a few extra minutes between meetings, which means that call volumes vary unpredictably. Social media has also sparked a significant change in customer behavior, especially in the area of customer complaints. In the past, customers complained to neighbors and friends. Now, a complaint can go viral through a social media channel and create a public relations nightmare. Small and mid-sized businesses pride themselves on their customer intimacy and responsiveness, so keeping up with these new communications channels is a vitally important strategic differentiator. If you're not serving your customers across multiple channels, you can be sure that someone else is. Do you see opportunities to differentiate your customer experience and disrupt the industry in which you operate? Over recent years, mid-sized businesses with up to 1,000 employees have been the unsung heroes of the global economy, driving economic growth and job creation. But business leaders are certainly not complacent. In the digital economy, these leaders realize that their businesses need to move faster than ever to remain ahead of the competition. When Cisco talks to leaders of mid-sized businesses, they're increasingly confident about the economic outlook, but the issues you see here concern them. Ask yourself if any of these issues are priorities for your customers. Do your customers have key performance indicators or KPIs and targets in these areas against which you're reimbursed? The importance of collaboration has never been greater for businesses and organizations. For organizations to reach the next level of productivity and innovation, they need better collaboration with employees, partners, and customers. You probably hear this urgency from your customers because personal productivity is not as important as harnessing team productivity. According to a Corporate Executive Board or CEB study, business leaders believe they need 20% higher performance from employees to reach their current business goals. But achieving that 20% increase is not about perfecting individual performance and making individuals work harder. It will come from increasing team performance, and Cisco believes that collaboration technologies will play a key role. Across all industries and company sizes, Cisco customers are seeing collaboration benefits including cost reduction, increased customer satisfaction, better employee engagement, increased productivity, growth, and faster innovation through better interaction with employees, partners, and customers. There's no better time for your customers to work with Cisco to reimagine your organization's goals by enhancing collaboration for all of your stakeholders. Let's examine some customer pain points and challenges. The world has changed. It's becoming a hyper-competitive place, and even worse, the pace of change is accelerating. As an example, let's consider the lifetime of products or product categories. Less than 10 years ago, the first iPhone was introduced, and look at how much the smartphone world has changed since that time. The world is experiencing an information explosion. Knowledge is available to everyone at the click of a button. It doesn't matter what you need to know. Just search the internet. Knowledge is commoditized very quickly. The same thing can happen to competitive differentiation. The barriers to competition are eroding. Everyone has access to technology and the knowledge to build and differentiate their products and services. The companies that stay ahead of the curve are building a unique environment and culture that fosters employee creativity, passion, and the innovation needed to create differentiation. Cisco believes that a company that embraces collaboration can move faster than the world around it. There are many different studies confirming this situation. The May 2015 KMPG Global CEO Outlook talks about the concerns of company CEOs. As you can see here, CEO concerns span a wide variety of challenges, including customer loyalty, new technologies, the effect of competitors on the business, and maintaining the relevance of products and services over time. To grow and remain relevant, even as numerous disruptors transform the world around them, CEOs are looking for ways to transform their businesses, some more drastically than others. In fact, almost 30% of CEOs globally expect their organizations to be significantly different entities in 3 years, with transformation efforts focused on business strategy and the business model and operating model. When it comes to ensuring that there are no limits to their future growth prospects, CEOs must begin to execute initiatives that will transform their businesses into what they need to be in the future. While having a vision for the future is critical, CEOs need to start putting the people, processes, and technologies in place today that will ensure that they can achieve their objectives in the future. All of these issues drive the need for working together in a much more collaborative way. Organizations and processes are built to support the corporate strategy as effectively as possible. Corporate strategy is concerned with how companies create value across different businesses and requires the corporation to invest in a valuable set of resources, craft the business portfolio, and design the organizational structure, systems, and corporate functions to share activities or transfer skills across businesses. It's quite obvious that changing corporate strategies will have a direct impact on operations and lead to a greater need for collaboration. Collaboration is an essential part of most business processes, organizational structures, and activities. You must work more closely with your customers to integrate their partners into their business processes and reshape the way your customers develop new products and services to gain competitive advantage. To accomplish these goals, it's important to understand the things that influence corporate strategy and, indirectly, operations. Every change in markets, trends, and competition can influence operations, and collaboration is relevant for operations, so strategic influencers are also relevant for operations. Understanding the link between strategy and operations is essential. Other challenges for organizations are the consumerization of IT, continued proliferation of mobile devices, and 24/7 access to information and communications at home. These challenges change user expectations of collaboration applications and IT in general in the workplace. As employees become more dispersed and mobile, they want and need freedom in how and where they work to be truly effective, but it's not just about devices and locations. Executives still consider in-person collaboration imperative. Far beyond the executive suite, organizations are realizing that the use of rich video communications can transform the way stakeholders collaborate. Collaboration is about providing all the tools that people need to engage, everywhere and in every way necessary. The cloud is changing the way people access collaboration technologies. Business and IT leaders are looking to roll out services faster and boost business agility, while shifting capital expenditures or CapEx to operational expenditures or OpEx. Employees are demanding cloud-based applications. A bring-your-own application or BYOA trend is furthering the evolution of the bring-your-own-device or BYOD model. Over the years, companies have given employees a lot of tools to help teams work more collaboratively. It started out with tools provided by IT, email, phones, and document sharing tools, for example. Then the list grew to include mobile phones, web conferencing, video conferencing, and instant messaging. The situation became more complicated when employees started using their own consumer applications, even if those applications were officially prohibited, like Dropbox, Skype, Facebook, SlideShare, YouTube, and so on. The result is a highly fragmented, unproductive collaboration experience. Too often, you can't simply connect. Someone is on a different system, they're offline, you don't know their mobile number, or maybe video only works for executives. You also have to consider what happens to sensitive company communications and data within those consumer applications. Is it secure? Can companies pass on your personal contact information? What tools are your employees using today to collaborate? Do the tools you have in place allow you to meet your expectations and achieve your business goals? Are those tools helping your teams increase innovation and productivity? Are your employees using consumer-grade applications for business? They probably are, even if that use is not sanctioned. Is that acceptable in your business environment? Does it meet your customer data and intellectual property rights or IPR policies? What challenges are you seeing today with your collaboration tools? Certainly, you can ask many more questions of this kind, which emphasizes the complexity of the world of communication tools. This fragmentation is not just an issue for end users. The collaboration needs of small and mid-sized businesses are often just as complex and nuanced as those of larger enterprises. Supporting this highly interconnected way of working and the users who want greater flexibility and freedom in choosing the tools they use to collaborate is challenging for IT. IT teams have fewer members and they need to cover a broad range of general IT disciplines, and it's often hard to justify and prioritize investments in seemingly complex solutions. Furthermore, when considering communications and collaboration technologies, many IT organizations are limited by legacy time division multiplexing, or TDM, or key telephone systems that require too much of the IT team's time and budget in basic maintenance, and do not integrate well with the new generation of tools that your users need. This situation often leads to covert IT activities that threaten to expose security and compliance risks. Consequently, Cisco believes that making a big impact on business and helping employees in this hyper-connected work environment requires that customers take a bold, new approach to collaboration. The Cisco approach is to embrace these trends and support mid-sized businesses with enterprise-grade, fully featured, no-compromises collaboration solutions that are the correct size and reasonably priced for customer-based needs today and into the future. Solutions that are easy to deploy, manage, and use. How has the Cisco approach to these challenges evolved to maintain the relevance of Cisco solutions for customers? Let's examine this question in the next topic on the evolution and relevance of collaboration. Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions are designed for mid-size businesses and support their collaboration needs end-to-end. Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions include comprehensive end-to-end capabilities. Collaboration endpoints are designed to deliver the best user experience for any employee in any business. Cisco offers a broad range of collaboration endpoints, including new video-enabled endpoints that have resulted in 6 Red Dot Awards for product design. Unified Communications build a more connected workplace with rich video, mobile, and desktop voice telephony, messaging, and presence services. Cisco customer collaboration products create the foundation for positive customer service so that customers can build loyalty and drive business growth through your help desks and sales desks. Conferencing solutions help customers bring their employees, customers, and partners together to collaborate from anywhere with integrated voice, video, and content sharing. The collaboration needs of mid-sized businesses are just as complex as those of large enterprises. Cisco appreciates that mid-sized businesses do not have infinite IT resources available and has simplified collaboration with the Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions portfolio of turnkey products that reduce the complexity of multiple, siloed collaboration solutions from multiple vendors. Before looking at some details, let's clarify the term unified communications. The industry tends to interchange the terms unified communications and collaboration. Collaboration is more of a generic term describing various ways that people work together to reach a common goal. Unified communications is the integration of communication and collaboration tools into a single experience for users, encompassing telephony, web and video conferencing, customer care, instant messaging or IM, and presence, and the endpoints and clients on which these services are experienced. It's worth noting that Cisco is recognized as an industry leader by Gartner, IDC, and Forrester in each of these individual categories, as well as in holistic unified communications offerings. Cisco believes that to create simple solutions that people want to use to get work done, you have to deliver simple, compelling, and consistent experiences across a range of devices. The Cisco mission is to let people collaborate effectively with simple and consistent, no-compromises collaboration experiences in every room, on every desk, in every pocket, and in every application. From small and medium-sized meeting rooms to executive boardrooms and training suites, Cisco has systems that meet every need, including systems that can transform existing rooms with LCD panels into high-definition video collaboration spaces, starting from around the price of a high-end PC workstation. Cisco offers a range of products, from basic IP phone voice communications to fully integrated high-definition audio and video systems that reduce desktop clutter to enhance collaboration and improve productivity for desk-based workers, remote workers, and hot desks to meet any communication needs and budget. Cisco Jabber, WebEx, and Spark support high-definition video, audio, messaging, content sharing, and team collaboration securely from any device. Cisco will continue making this experience the most important factor that differentiates our solutions from the solutions of our competitors. Your customer might not need all of the available capabilities on day one, which is why Cisco builds comprehensive yet flexible collaboration solutions that let you tackle your customer's highest priorities and use cases first, and add more functionality later as priorities change and the organization grows. In a world of many clouds, many customers want flexibility and a choice of deployment models to take advantage of cloud services while meeting the requirements of their IT strategy, security, and compliance policies. There are tremendous opportunities in delivering collaboration services through a hybrid on-premises multi-cloud model. Cisco midsize collaboration solutions can be delivered on-premises, from the cloud, or fused to offer the best of both worlds in what Cisco calls Cloud Fusion. These collaboration solutions can be deployed on-premises, in the data center or private cloud, using virtualized Cisco Business Edition collaboration solutions, packaged as a platform based on a secure, robust network with WAN and LAN infrastructure. Cisco-powered services and Cisco partner clouds, which include service providers, integrators, and resellers, have historically delivered robust telephony services, video, and applications. Cisco collaboration cloud services, such as Cisco WebEx and Cisco Spark, use an elastic consumption model that provides a foundation for rapid innovation. A true software as a service or SaaS model, WebEx Cloud is the second largest business-to-business cloud after Salesforce.com. Now let's take a look at the current and future opportunities in the midsize market segment. Research shows that more than 50% of small and mid-sized businesses have yet to upgrade to IP PBX, creating a huge opportunity for Cisco partners as these legacy PBX and key systems become outdated and the market transition to IP systems accelerates dramatically over the next 3 years. Overall studies suggest that the total addressable market is more than $7 billion and does not include the kinds of services that can be offered by partners. As previously stated, there are many business challenges facing mid-sized companies, whether it's competing in a truly global market, the ever-increasing requirement for regulation and alignment with government policies, financial challenges, and the need for more product or service differentiation and innovation. Regulation and changes in compliance requirements are seen as a very heavy burden for mid-size organizations. All of these issues drive the need for faster decision-making, involvement of experts within and outside the organization, and better ways to collaborate. There are many opportunities in the market, both tactical and strategic. You should always make sure that you understand how relevant your solution is for the customer and anticipate any risks that the customer might see. If you have this information, you can help your customer understand how you can help mitigate the risks and provide an appropriate solution. And last but not least, time is always a critical element. It's important to understand how your customers' current systems are working, the kinds of support contracts that are in place, and any other changes that are planned for the future. In this module, we looked at many challenges and the changing environments that face our mid-sized customers. We examined why collaboration is more important today and will be even more important in the future in addressing these challenges. We hope that the material in this module has provided you with a better understanding of the business drivers for Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions. Let's move on to the next module, Understanding the Value of Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions. Hello and welcome to the Understanding the Value of Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions module of the Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions for Account Managers course. This module describes the Cisco offerings for the mid-size business market. In this module, we'll discuss the following topics: Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions and key differentiators, Cisco Business Edition 6000 solutions in the integrated Cisco collaboration architecture, Cisco Business Edition 6000 pricing and licensing, competitive landscape, and alignment of Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions with customer business needs. Let's start by looking at the Cisco offerings and differentiators. The Cisco Business Edition portfolio of collaboration packages offer turnkey solutions that reduce the complexity of siloed collaboration solutions from multiple vendors. With Cisco's packaged collaboration solutions, your customers can deploy collaboration within their businesses easier for many reasons. Cisco's packaged collaboration solutions are productized, so they're easy to order, pre-configured so the platforms come preloaded and ready to activate, and simplified for easy and fast installation, deployment, and use, and are all managed centrally on virtualized servers. The complexity is removed, as are the silos that hinder true collaboration among employees, customers, and partners. The portfolio boasts many attributes that decision leaders across companies of all sizes are choosing for their organizations. First, the portfolio is a complete service offering with end-to-end collaboration capabilities for voice, video, conferencing, messaging, IM and presence, mobility, and more for every user on any device from any location. The portfolio also offers differentiated communications to create cost-effective, high-quality multi-party video conferencing that brings employees, customers, and partners together. The portfolio's flexible cost model lets your customers pay as they grow and scale platforms to support business needs. Deployment and management are simpler. Pre-configured virtualized servers come with ready-to-run virtualization software and ready-to-activate collaboration applications that reduce time to dial tone and ongoing administration. This portfolio includes an open and interoperable architecture that transparently supports third-party applications, telepresence, and video endpoints. And finally, the portfolio offers scalable, highly available platforms with a built-in ability to grow and change to keep pace with business. All of these business benefits lead to lower IT operational costs, more efficient IT, while at the same time providing improved and consistent user experience, regardless of devices or modes of communication. The guiding principles for Cisco packaged collaboration solutions are user-demanded designs and mobile-driven experiences from the boardroom to the browser. Mobility is powering new ways to work for end users and disrupting the dominance of the location-bound desktop. These packaged solutions support a mobile-first, experience-centric product design with integrated hardware, software, and networks. These solutions can be connected to Cisco's cloud collaboration platform to deliver a seamless, efficient experience by securely fusing on-premises and cloud functions. You can create a hybrid cloud solution for customers that seamlessly combines on-premises capabilities with additional services from the Cisco Collaboration Cloud. You can also launch new services in the business workflow with Cisco offerings like WebEx conferencing or Cisco Spark. Cisco packaged collaboration solutions let your customers drive faster, better decisions by bridging current services to new services and enabling embedded collaboration. All users expect democratized access to innovative experiences that were previously available only in the C-suite of large enterprises. With Cisco packaged collaboration solutions, your customers can democratize collaboration and you can extend reach by simplifying the portfolio and reducing the barriers to adoption through simplified licensing, standardized customer premises equipment or CPE for service provider trunk services, and flexible architecture for your customers' service provider trunks. Increased connectivity and big data are helping create contextual insights that quantify the previously unquantifiable. Packaged solutions let you turn instinct to insight via a collaboration graph, extend collaboration to the Internet of Everything or IoE, and build the next generation of customer engagement applications. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 is a purpose-built collaboration solution designed to meet the specific communications and collaboration needs of small and mid-sized companies. This family of packaged, preloaded, simple-to-deploy, manage, and use virtualized server and integrated server platforms empower customers with the flexibility to deploy a system that meets their precise requirements today, with the built-in ability to scale long into the future. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 family now offers 3 packaged model options. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 Small Density Model, or Cisco BE6000S, is an entry-level, centralized communication solution for customers requiring basic communication services such as voice, voicemail, instant messaging and presence, and paging services in smaller environments. This model scales to support up to 150 users and 300 devices. It's an extremely affordable, quickly deployed, and easy-to-manage solution for smaller-scale deployments, requiring essential voice and IP telephony capabilities. The Cisco BE6000S is based on the Cisco Unified Computing System, or Cisco UCS E160D-M2 server on the Cisco 2921 Integrated Services Router with an integrated gateway. This feature is not offered by any other vendor in the market today, which makes this solution highly competitive. The Cisco BE6000S model has a low-profile footprint that requires minimal space, power, and cooling to keep facilities costs down. This model has 5 pre-configured unified communications applications, including Cisco Unified Communications Manager or Cisco Unified CM, Cisco Unity Connection, Cisco Unified CM/IM and Presence, Cisco Prime Collaboration Provisioning, and Cisco Paging Server. The Cisco BE6000S model supports any combination of Cisco IP phones, including Cisco IP Phone 7800 and 8800 series, Cisco Jabber clients, and Cisco DX series desktop endpoints. The Cisco BE6000S can easily and cost-effectively migrate to any Cisco BE6000 medium or high-density model, hybrid environments, or fully to Cisco cloud services. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 Medium Density Model, or Cisco BE6000M, is the Cisco flagship mid-market solution. It's a fully integrated and centrally managed voice and video call control platform for mid-sized deployments of 25 to 1,000 users, 1,200 devices, and 100 contact center agents. The Cisco BE6000M model runs on a 1-rack unit or 1RU Cisco UCS C220M4 rack server, supports up to 5 concurrent applications, and any combination of IP and video endpoints. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 high-density model, or Cisco BE6000H, is an integrated centrally managed voice and video call control platform that's purpose-built for video-intensive mid-size deployments of 25 to 1,000 users, 2,500 devices, and 100 contact center agents. The Cisco BE6000H model runs on a 1U Cisco UCS C220M4 rack server and supports up to 9 concurrent applications, including a full video conferencing suite and any combination of IP and video endpoints. Licenses for these offerings are provided in 35 user bundles at a great price advantage, making startup costs very attractive. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 starter licensing bundles are available for Cisco UWL standard and professional licensing packages. Therefore, they're more attractive for companies to deploy more advanced collaboration functionalities, such as video conferencing to more users, at a very attractive entry price. The Cisco packaged collaboration solutions offer customers an affordable, integrated solution that delivers the industry's best collaboration services and a range of IP and video endpoints for all users and locations. The platforms are quickly implemented, simple to use, and centrally managed to save IT time and costs. These platforms are easily maintained and protect investments with seamless migration to higher capacity systems with company growth. Now, let's look into each platform in a bit more detail. The Cisco BE6000S for small-scale deployments is the new platform addition to the highly successful Cisco Business Edition portfolio of collaboration packages and extends this portfolio of products to smaller deployments. The Cisco BE6000S model is a fixed platform for small-scale voice and IP telephony deployments. It starts at very reasonable prices, including user licenses and phones, offers security, LAN, WAN, wireless, all packaged as an office-in-a-box solution. The Cisco BE6000S model includes a low-profile integrated Cisco UCS E-Blade in a Cisco ISR router and gateway platform. It supports up to 150 users, 300 devices, and the 5 fixed core Cisco Unified Communications applications: Cisco Unified CM, Cisco Unity Connection, Cisco Unified CM/IM and Presence, Cisco Prime Collaboration Provisioning, and Cisco Paging Server. The Cisco BE6000S model offers simplified, streamlined implementation and provisioning tools that speed the time to full communication services, including Cisco Config to Order Portal implementation service offered through Cisco distribution partners, and pre-configured core Cisco Unified Communications application images. The new Cisco BE6000S model supports point-to-point video calling with Cisco Unified CM registered video-enabled IP endpoints up to and including the Cisco DX70 and DX80 video endpoints. Any Cisco telepresence endpoints can register to the Cisco BE6000S, but Cisco Expressway and conferencing cannot run on box because there's no virtual machine or VM capacity. For multi-point conferencing capabilities with Cisco BE6000S, customers can leverage Cisco Cloud and Cisco Collaboration Meeting Rooms or Cisco CMR services, or buy a standalone Cisco Virtual Telepresence Server appliance. For the majority of mid-market customers typically ranging from 100 to 1,000 users, you should position the Cisco BE6000M and BE6000H models, which scale to a maximum 1,000 users. These models use larger Cisco UCS servers and support more users and devices, and allow to run more collaboration applications in parallel. Built on the industry-leading Cisco Unified Communications Manager platform, Cisco Business Edition 6000 is an enterprise-class collaboration platform that can be customized to support your customers' collaboration requirements on a single server. Cisco Business Edition 6000 can readily integrate and support a variety of leading third-party applications and devices, so your customers can rapidly deploy and grow end-to-end collaboration capabilities at their own pace. This approach is significantly more cost-effective than trying to support multiple disparate platforms to deliver collaboration capabilities. Instead, your customers can have a virtualized solution that supports up to 9 co-resident collaboration applications, which reduces the number of required servers. You can suggest the Cisco Business Edition 6000 medium or high-density server depending on your customer's application requirements. Both models provide premium communication and collaboration services for up to 1,000 users, 1,200 or 2,500 devices, and 100 contact center agents. These models also offer high availability over LAN or WAN environments using a secondary server. Increased resiliency ensures that users have access to key features such as extension mobility, call forwarding, and message waiting indication even during network outages. The high availability features supported by the solution make Cisco Business Edition 6000 ideally suited for mid-size companies that require mission-critical voice, messaging, and contact center capabilities. As the enterprise extends its IP telephony deployments from central sites to remote branch offices and teleworkers, a critical factor in achieving a successful deployment is the ability to support backup call control at remote locations. Cisco Unified Survivable Remote Site Telephony, or Unified SRST, and Cisco Unified Enhanced SRST, or Unified ESRST, provide cost-effective solutions to support redundant call control in remote branch offices and the homes of teleworkers. SRST is a Cisco call processing backup mechanism that allows Cisco IP phones to register to a Cisco router. A Cisco router in SRST mode provides call setup and call teardown services similar to Cisco Business Edition 6000, but only when connectivity to the Cisco Business Edition 6000 is available. SRST technology is widely used in the centralized call processing model, where branch sites do not have any local call processing capabilities. ESRST provides enhanced features with more limited scalability. Cisco Business Edition 6000 supports both Cisco Unified SRST and Unified ESRST. In summary, Cisco Business Edition 6000 has 3 models. The Cisco BE6000S is the small-density packaged solution for up to 150 users or 300 devices. It supports 5 fixed collaboration applications in a single integrated router, gateway, and virtualized Blade Server platform, ideal for small-scale office-in-a-box collaboration deployments. The Cisco BE6000M is the medium-density packaged solution for customers with up to 1,000 users or 1,200 devices. It supports Cisco telepresence and high availability. It also supports 4 collaboration application options, plus 1 provisioning application in a single virtualized server platform. The Cisco BE6000H is the high-density packaged solution that supports 8 collaboration application options, plus 1 provisioning application in a single virtualized server platform. The maximum capacity is 1,000 users or 2,500 devices and 100 contact center agents. It's ideal for medium to large-scale end-to-end collaboration deployments with the need for video. All of these packaged solutions deliver all the required elements to help improve customer business processes and collaboration throughout the entire organization. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 models let your customers satisfy users with interactive, intuitive, easy-to-use collaboration while reducing complexity with a simple, easy-to-manage platform. These solutions help lower total cost of ownership with cost-effective, time-saving operations and smooth the transition from a maxed-out, expensive-to-maintain legacy phone system. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 family helps protect investments with a design that scales for growth. Here you can see the whole range of Cisco packaged collaboration solutions, starting with the Cisco Business Edition 6000 family through the larger packages available with the Cisco Business Edition 7000 family if you need to scale to bigger environments. From a positioning point of view, how should you approach your customers? If your customer has a limited IT budget and is smaller in scale, you can propose the Cisco Business Edition 6000 Small Density model. This option can secure the immediate dial tone replacement business with a simplified single-box Cisco Unified Communications solution if your customer has no immediate need for advanced applications. This approach helps you keep costs down while having all the flexibility to enhance the solution later when more collaboration capabilities are needed. If your customer wants to replace an older call control PBX system, you can focus on how easy it is to move to the new platform and how simple it is to upgrade to newer releases of software applications. You can begin promoting a collaboration strategy and explore future options while proposing Cisco Business Edition 6000 as a packaged collaboration solution with flexible application provisioning and deployment options. If your customer is a new business and needs full collaboration functionality immediately, focus on the Cisco collaboration leadership in video, contact center, and WebEx, while proposing Cisco Business Edition 6000 for mid-size customers with moderate growth and scale requirements. Be sure that you're aware of the sizing principles in terms of users and devices so that you can recommend the packaged solution that makes the most sense for the customer. Over the past 2 years or so, Cisco has completely re-engineered its room, desktop, and software client portfolio to provide amazing quality communication experiences anywhere on any device. Cisco listened to customers and paid meticulous attention to the industrial design and user interface, resulting in simple and consistent user experiences that make it easier and more affordable than ever for people to connect and collaborate from whatever device they choose. In designing to satisfy customers, Cisco earned 7 prestigious and highly coveted Red Dot Awards for some of the new collaboration room systems and desktop collaboration endpoints. For room-based solutions, Cisco offers both Cisco Telepresence MX Series integrated systems and Cisco Telepresence SX Series QuickSet solutions that can work in any standard display. The Cisco Telepresence MX200, MX300, MX700, and MX800 endpoints are beautifully integrated and deliver high-definition video and audio. The Cisco Telepresence MX200 and MX300 are very easy to deploy, 10 minutes from box to call, and priced to scale for small to medium-sized rooms. For larger rooms, you can use the Cisco Telepresence MX700 or MX800. As a result of customer demand, Cisco also recently introduced the Cisco Telepresence MX800 Dual, which equips rooms with an additional 70-inch screen for clearer content sharing and dual cameras with speaker track for a more interactive experience. With these systems, your customer can easily turn lounges, huddle spaces, and small to large meeting rooms into video collaboration centers. You can also build solutions by adding Cisco Telepresence SX10 and SX20 QuickSets to any standard display. The SX10 is a codec in-camera unit that easily turns any flat panel into a video collaboration solution in less than 10 minutes. It's designed to outfit any small room or huddle space with business-quality video and is priced to scale at about the cost of a PC. The Cisco Telepresence SX20 QuickSet allows a bit more flexibility and power with 3 camera options to accommodate larger room sizes. Both QuickSets simply require a standard screen to turn any meeting room into a video collaboration room. The new Cisco DX Series is not a traditional video system. It's a fully touch-based device that simplifies the desktop. Customers can access the applications they rely on, Cisco WebEx, Cisco Jabber, IM, email, a web browser, Play Store, and enjoy high-definition video with one device. Feedback shows that customers love the new Cisco DX Series for its clean, attractive design and its affordable price point, which helps get video on more desktops and drive pervasive video deployments in their organizations. These video systems are significantly lower than the cost of the previous generation of Cisco Telepresence System EX Series devices. The Cisco DX series can also replace monitors, IP phones, and Skype with a single desktop collaboration product that includes intelligent audio for open work areas, which eliminates background noise and improves the experience for the remote party. As is customary with Cisco video collaboration devices, the video and audio communication functions ensure best-in-class, professional-grade quality with high-definition video and wideband audio, but also offer dial tone reliability, security, and availability. Now let's look at the Cisco IP desk phone portfolio. The Cisco IP Phone 7800 series is a high-fidelity voice communications portfolio designed for people-centric voice collaboration. The series introduces 4 endpoints and a new ergonomic design to support the needs of light to highly active voice communications users. The Cisco IP Phone 8800 series delivers superior voice communications in 5 models. The different models provide options for knowledge professionals, administrative staff, managers, executives, and for workers in various conference room sizes. All models have acoustically enhanced hardware to deliver the best voice communications experience Cisco has delivered to date in its IP phones. Enhancements include echo canceling, which is very important for a dispersed workforce, and vibration isolation mechanisms for even clearer lows and highs. Speakerphones are standard on all models. The IP phone software has been designed with a focus on ease of use. Menus are more intuitive, and displays are backlit and have higher resolution. Wallpapers can be customized with company logos or graphics. Select models of the IP Phone 8800 series offer support for Cisco Intelligent Proximity for mobile voice. Each endpoint of all IP phone series combine wideband audio support according to the G.722 standard for superior audio clarity. Each endpoint has a backlit graphical grayscale display for ease of navigation and offers always available full-featured IP telephony to increase personal productivity. Communications are encrypted for security, while an earth-friendly design and Cisco EnergyWise technology deliver low power consumption to reduce costs. There are also various clients that offer collaboration possibilities on the go or at the desktop. Cisco WebEx conferencing is the leader in conferencing year after year, but that doesn't mean that Cisco isn't constantly looking for ways to reinvent the product. Less than a year ago, Cisco did a major refresh of WebEx to simplify the experience in terms of ease of use, the process for joining a meeting, and to make the overall meeting experience more straightforward. Cisco Jabber is a client application that lets people come together using voice or video, either individually or in multi-person conferences. Employees can IM coworkers or leave voicemail. With its presence features, you can tell if someone is available or when that person will be available, and desktops and files can be shared. Cisco Jabber also protects your customers' important investments in Microsoft Office, Outlook, and Exchange with direct product integrations, allowing access to user status information and click-to-communicate capabilities directly from the applications without requiring Microsoft Lync. And last but not least, to address some of the emerging needs for enterprise agility and project-based collaboration, Cisco recently introduced Cisco Spark. Spark is an enterprise-grade collaboration application that lets teams post messages, share content, and meet face-to-face in an open space accessible from any device anywhere in the world. Cisco Spark is like a virtual conference room created for all teams with everything that everyone needs to do their best work together. Imagine a salesperson on a deadline for an RFP needing to spend 15 minutes with a pricing specialist. You need to come together with broad groups of people to discuss particular initiatives or present completed work to stakeholders. These structured meetings may happen in the same room, but today they happen more often over broad distances and locations. There is an emerging work style today for agile teams that are bucking the existing work structures and paradigms and working more interdependently with many different project teams at the same time. These teams prefer to get work out quickly rather than stretch the work to a defined deadline. These teams work with groups inside and outside their organizations. Cisco continues to deliver industry-leading solutions to complement its collaboration efforts. Cisco Jabber is a find and connect application for unified communications deployments and helps individuals dramatically increase productivity. Jabber is ideal for quick, real-time interaction with coworkers via soft phone, desk share capabilities, and one-click media escalation from IM and Presence to voice and high-definition video. Cisco Unified Communications Manager IM and Presence is important to our customers and exists today only in Jabber. Jabber is included in Cisco Business Edition 6000 and can be easily deployed. The Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions enable your customers' teams to communicate and collaborate effectively, regardless of the team's role, location, or devices. A good example is Collaboration Edge. Cisco Collaboration Edge combines the capabilities of Cisco Gateway offerings with the core capabilities of Cisco Collaboration Solutions and the network. Together, they can help you break down barriers and collaborate effectively using the most comprehensive any-to-any solution on the market today. Through the Cisco Collaboration Edge, teleworkers and mobile Cisco Jabber users can collaborate easily on any device with no VPN client required. It revolutionizes interactions with other organizations and consumers through browser and mobile-based collaboration applications. Cisco expertise in networking and security ensures that simple and secure collaboration can occur outside the customer's company network, which lets the customer supplement existing face-to-face interactions with effective communication over other channels, enhance key relationships, and improve day-to-day operational effectiveness with their partners and suppliers. There are also significant operational benefits of using the Cisco Collaboration Architecture and Cisco Business Edition 6000. Let's start with time savings. The management capabilities of Cisco Business Edition 6000 and its virtualization-enabled format makes IT tasks much easier. IT staff can easily handle moves, adds, and changes via an infrastructure that enables future growth in terms of users and functionality. Using the Cisco Open Architectural approach to operating systems and end devices dramatically reduces the risk of encountering a technological dead end. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 also helps mitigate the risk of change because users have more choices regarding the devices they want to use. Integrated management and a scalable platform save money and enable future use of video or contact center capabilities. All of these operational benefits help reduce the total cost of ownership. In summary, Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions enable companies to address all of their collaboration needs with one solution that offers reduced costs, essential unified communications, including video, voicemail, auto attendant, conferencing, simplified configuration and management, and mobility features. These solutions are easy to deploy with a simple, intuitive management interface as a single server solution. Now let's look at the integrated architectural approach in Cisco Business Edition 6000 solutions. As you can see, simplifying collaboration successfully is not about products from individual vendors. It requires an architectural approach. Starting with the end user, Cisco offers intuitive and consistent user experiences across any device, from the browser to the boardroom. Cisco brings together multiple collaboration services, allowing users to choose the way they collaborate with rich, high-definition video, voice, messaging, and chat, and to integrate these capabilities with key business applications and workflows. Cisco also leverages networking, security, and data center expertise to ensure high-quality, secure, and easy-to-manage collaboration experiences across multiple locations with flexible deployment options, including on-premises private cloud solutions, public cloud, and hybrid models. Finally, Cisco recognizes that businesses have different preferences and priorities when it comes to deployment. Some prefer the flexibility and control offered by managing their own on-premises solutions, and some value the rapid scalability and agility offered by cloud services. Today, most businesses are looking to develop a hybrid environment that lets them mix and match to fit their changing priorities, IT skills, and capabilities. Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions can be consumed as a service by certified Cisco partners. Cisco invests a lot of time and resources to develop this tightly integrated approach and makes it available to customers and partners. With preferred architectures and Cisco-validated designs, you get a bulletproof approach to designing and configuring Cisco collaboration architectures. The choice complexity is reduced, and collaboration architectures are more understandable to non-specialists. You also get design consistency with tested best practices based on a single, easy-to-use document. Design references make it easier to make changes in the future and provide a model to expose solution gaps that can be addressed in further development. Most importantly, Cisco-validated designs dramatically reduce implementation and technology risks and allow your customers to be operational more quickly. Here you can see the advantages of the Cisco architectural approach over a best-of-breed approach. Using only the architectural approach, it's possible to guarantee a consistent user experience and long-term alignment with the overall business strategy and vision. At the same time, the Cisco architecture reduces the risk of technical and financial failures and mitigates the risk of change through a tested, validated, and open multi-platform architectural approach. Now let's take a look at Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions licensing and the tools that help you develop an accurate quote. Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions extend beyond the desktop, and the licensing strategy must unlock the full workspace potential of its users by providing the freedom to cost-effectively give every user the full unified communications workspace experience, rather than just dial tone and voicemail. Cisco Unified Workspace Licensing, or Cisco UWL, provides a better sales opportunity by offering customers the most complete tool set of collaboration services and a way to make their investment compatible with future versions of collaboration solutions. Customers have everything they need going forward, and you earn recurring revenue. Cisco understands that the collaboration needs of customers vary across organizations and depend on individual workers' collaboration requirements. As such, Cisco offers flexible licensing options to meet those varying needs. Each Cisco license includes soft clients, application server software, and collaboration licensing on a per-user basis. Cisco User Connect Licensing, or Cisco UCL, provides licensing on a per-user basis for individual Cisco Unified Communications applications, including application server software, user licensing, and a soft client. Cisco UCL is available in Essential, Basic, Enhanced, and Enhanced Plus versions. Cisco UWL provides the most popular Cisco collaboration systems applications and services in a cost-effective, simple package. There are two available Cisco UWL versions depending on your needs, the Professional Edition and the Standard Edition. The Professional Edition provides customers with the most value and now includes comprehensive, unlimited participant video conferencing with personal multi-party video at no additional cost. Both of these offers include soft clients, application server software, and licensing on a per-user basis, and allow for a more comprehensive unified communications experience than Cisco UCL licensing. This table is an overview of all licensing options and what the options include. Cisco offers a variety of software licensing options to meet customer needs, regardless of the business size, the way employees work, and the tools they need. A per-user-based license for individual Cisco collaboration applications includes the application server software, user licensing, and a soft client. Depending on the type of device and number of devices that you require, Cisco UCL is available in Essential, Basic, Enhanced, and Enhanced Plus versions. With Cisco UWL, your organization can flexibly meet business needs by procuring a broad range of Cisco collaboration applications and services on a per-user basis at a better together bundled price. It provides the opportunity to deliver a consistent set of Cisco collaboration applications to a larger portion of your users, helping organizations maximize the potential of collaboration. There are 35 user starter bundles available for Cisco UCL Enhanced, Cisco UWL Standard, and Cisco UWL Professional that are decreasing the entry point costs dramatically. Here you can see the devices that are supported by each licensing option. As a simple guideline, it's always recommended that you sell Cisco UWL Standard as a minimum to better lead into the Cisco UWL Professional. There are some purchasing requirements for Cisco UWL. Cisco Software Support Service, or Cisco SWIS, offers complete coverage that keeps your customers' software applications running smoothly and protects their investment with a powerful combination of services, including updates and upgrades, 24-hour technical support, and access to Cisco online troubleshooting tools. When mixing Cisco UCL and Cisco UWL, all users must have a 1-year subscription for Cisco SWIS. As you can also see here, there are minimum purchase requirements and restrictions on the use of certain Cisco Unified Communications and Cisco Collaboration Systems releases in the same cluster. Cisco SWIS includes major application software upgrades and updates, global access to experts in the Cisco Technical Assistance Center, or Cisco TAC, self-help materials through online support communities, and other resources and tools. Cisco partners have a couple of options for creating price quotes for Cisco midsize collaboration solutions. The first is the Cisco Quick Pricing Tool, or Cisco QPT. It's designed to help you quickly generate a bill of materials and estimate pricing for Cisco solutions for small to midsize customers. Using a clear graphical interface and user profiles, account managers can easily select products and options without the need for technical assistance. The Cisco QPT is conveniently available in an offline mode, so you can see immediate results on the road or at a customer site. The Bill of Materials, or BOM, is in a shopping cart format to guide you through every step of the process. You will even see product selections based on the typical user profile, such as executive, reception, mobile user, advanced user, and others. A graphical image of all products is provided to further ease the selection process, allowing you to finalize a quote in minutes. The Cisco QPT provides pricing guidance on the optimal solution for your customer, including the best software licensing option. You can and should review your final quote prior to forwarding it to the customer. Configurations that are built using the Cisco QPT can be imported into Cisco Commerce Workspace. To request access, please visit www.cisco.com/go/QPT. Partner benefits include a reduced pre-sale cycle for account managers, one source for accurate solution pricing that includes offline use, the ability to include distributor or reseller catalog items in a quote, and reporting of quoting funnel statistics. You can use the Cisco QPT to get a quick quote for a Cisco Business Edition 6000 solution and then import the quote into the Cisco Commerce Workspace to align with the existing process. You have ease of use, online configuration, and integration in existing deals and quote tools. The second tool is the Cisco Commerce Workspace. Cisco Commerce Workspace is an online tool that is available at www.cisco.com/go/ccw for creating, managing, and sharing Cisco product estimates and orders. You can also manage promotion registrations using Cisco Commerce Workspace. When generating quotes and estimates using Cisco Commerce Workspace, you can tailor the output to include or hide zero-cost, automatically expanded part codes. With consolidation, the time spent in these tasks, from formulating quotes to processing orders, decreases dramatically. This tool alone can result in a significant boost in productivity. Cisco Service Contract Center, or Cisco SCC, is the online tool for pricing, managing, and renewing service contracts and subscriptions for Cisco products. Visit www.cisco.com/go/CSCC for more details and access to the Cisco SCC tool. The third interesting tool Cisco is offering is the Global Cisco Partner Proposal Library. This library offers proposal, cover letter, executive summary, and questions and answers documents and templates for over 160 Cisco solutions. These proactive templates will save you time on researching and developing responses to customer requests for proposal or RFPs and accelerate the sales cycle. New and updated proposals that are added regularly and aligned to the product and solution launches and incentives vetted through Cisco business units and marketing ensure that the documents and templates are always up to date. This service is free and easily accessed by all partners. Now that you have a better understanding of licensing and the quoting tools that are available, let's look at the Cisco Business Edition 6000 competitive landscape. Over the years, Cisco has become extremely successful in the area of collaboration. The information here offers just a few examples of the benefits that thousands of Cisco customers have experienced with our collaboration services. Nearly every Fortune 500 company is using Cisco Collaboration, and our capabilities and performance have been proven across the entire portfolio. In addition, there are 3.3 million Cisco Contact Center agents, more than 80 million Cisco IP phones, more than 3 billion WebEx minutes consumed per month, 21 million Jabber seats, more than 2 million Cisco Telepresence endpoints, and 200,000 customers using Cisco Collaboration solutions. There are more than 15,000 companies and 3 million users of Cisco Business Edition 6000 solutions for mid-sized businesses alone. These figures illustrate that Cisco has listened to customers and delivers the value requested by those customers. These figures also highlight how successful Cisco partners have been so far. Cisco thanks its partners and appreciates their dedication and efforts. If you look at the competitive landscape, the main Cisco competitors fall into two categories. Microsoft, as a relatively new entry to the market, is focused strongly on its strength in software and operating systems with its Lync, Office 365, Skype for Business, and SharePoint base. On the other hand, Microsoft needs third-party products to offer a broader portfolio that could compete with Cisco. On the other side, there is a group of more traditional competitors like Avaya, Mitel, Siemens, and so on. These vendors have typically been in the PBX business, have a larger installed base, and find it more difficult to address new technology changes like high-definition video, bring your own device or BYOD, and multiple on-premises platforms and operating systems in the cloud or as a hybrid option. It's interesting to see that Microsoft, with its acquisition of Yammer and Skype, seems to have a strong focus on combining its software approach with collaboration offerings in the cloud. In addition, Microsoft has started to partner with more networking-oriented companies like HP and Juniper. Cisco collaboration solutions are the best in their class. Individuals desire in-person experiences. Cisco has the best-in-class telephony, conferencing, and video solutions in the market. Recent studies from Gartner show that Cisco is seen as the clear leader in a majority of fields. With Cisco Collaboration for Mid-Market, Cisco extends this reach through the multi-purpose nature of this platform. At the same time, Cisco has the majority of the market share in unified communications, video, web conferencing, and in the interactive voice response fields. In the last section of this module, let's look at how you can align your offerings with the customer's business needs. Strategy is defined at the top management level, where goals for departments, business units, and territories are defined. Each manager provides individual goals that support the corporate strategy. Managers are responsible for certain business activities, territories, or departments, and work toward their individual goals. These goals are derived from the overall corporate strategy. It's important for account managers to understand the individual goals of their customers' managers. If a collaboration architecture helps managers achieve their goals quickly or more effectively, then these managers will support initiatives and see their relevance as part of the business. Goals are defined in various ways, for example, turnover and sales numbers, performance and quality measures, and innovations and new products. It's critical for sales success that you understand your customer's business goal and objectives, as well as how they measure the success. You need to identify these parameters and align it with the Cisco collaboration solutions to drive business outcomes for your customers. Helping the customer to achieve their business objectives will greatly increase your sales success with your customers. The more relevant your services are to your customer's business, the higher the customer loyalty and satisfaction is, and the more you're perceived as a business partner rather than a service provider. If you offer point products rather than a business solution, customers can easily move to another provider, for example, a phone services provider. However, if you offer business tools that directly address the business needs of the customer and its priorities, then the bond between you and the customer will be stronger. These tools can also be extended to business processes, such as social networking software for enterprises. A business initiative is an organization's way of setting a priority. It's usually a description of the direction the organization wants to take and how that change will improve the organization. The initiative may be a component of the organization's vision for the future. Sometimes a business initiative is a project on which leaders and employees collaborate because there is an internal problem to solve or a customer need to satisfy. In this mode, an organization can produce one or more technological changes. The organization that can involve technology professionals in developing new initiatives is more successful in managing change in the organization. Any business initiative that changes the status quo requires coordination of managers and executives. For example, managers must prepare employees to change organizational procedures and employee behaviors. This process includes overcoming resistance, getting employees to embrace the change, and setting a schedule for implementation. A business initiative is always an investment for an organization and requires allocated resources like money, people, and time with the clear aim of achieving a measurable goal. It includes various stakeholders and may impact one or multiple processes. Processes usually require technology, and especially collaboration, to achieve results. This fact means that you have a great opportunity to understand and uncover the potential that collaboration offers for successfully implementing initiatives. Value creation is the primary aim of any business entity. Creating value for customers helps sell products and services. At the same time, creating value for shareholders in the form of increased stock prices ensures the future availability of investment capital to fund operations. The intangible factors that drive value creation differ by industry. Some of the major categories of intangible assets include technology, innovation, intellectual property, alliances, management capabilities, employee relations, customer relations, community relations, and brand value. It's important to note that investments made to enhance intangible assets, for example, research and development, employee training, and brand building, usually provide indirect rather than direct benefits. In this way, focusing on value creation forces an organization to adopt a long-term perspective and align all of its resources toward future goals. Collaboration architecture delivers the highest value when the solutions support the primary activities of the business. By enhancing core processes, collaboration contributes directly to corporate value creation and produces strategic benefits. If you keep all of this information in mind, you can clearly prove that Cisco midsize collaboration solutions enable customer teams to communicate and collaborate effectively. Cisco expertise in networking and security ensures that you can offer simple and secure collaboration outside your customer's company network, enabling them to supplement their existing face-to-face interactions with effective communication over other channels, enhance key relationships, and improve day-to-day operational effectiveness with their partners and suppliers. What can collaboration do for your customer? Business leaders can increase employee productivity, inspire and capture innovative ideas, and fuel profitable growth, all leading to a competitive advantage. Cisco Collaborative Technologies increase employee productivity by ensuring a consistent work experience and enabling employees to work together more efficiently and effectively, which inspires extraordinary contributions from employees. Cisco Collaborative Technologies inspire innovation by unlocking new models based on innovative ideas to increase business value. Innovation creates new products, services, and meaningful experiences that fuel growth. Cisco Collaborative Technologies accelerate growth by improving a customer's ability to adapt to changing market needs to improve scale and speed, which lead to competitive advantage. In this module, we looked at Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions and identified the different products, their benefits, and value for the customer. We also examined licensing of the Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions and how tools like Cisco QPT and Cisco Commerce Workspace can help you build and design quotes for your customers. The Cisco Partner Proposal Library offers proposals, cover letter, executive summary, and Q&A content for over 150 Cisco solutions. These proactive templates will save you time on researching and developing responses to customer RFPs, helping to accelerate your sales cycle. We identified how Cisco Collaboration Architecture helps customers drive business outcomes and how you can align Cisco technology solutions with your customer strategy and business initiatives. We hope that the material in this module has provided you with a better understanding of Cisco's midsize collaboration solutions. Let's move on to the next module, Increasing the Value of Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions. Hello and welcome to the Increasing the Value of Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions module of the Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions for Account Managers course. This module describes Cisco offerings that you can use to drive more value and better collaboration options for your customers. Because the Cisco packaged collaboration solutions are part of the overall Cisco collaboration architecture, you can extend the value of Cisco's midsize collaboration solutions with the offerings that are discussed in this module. In this module, we'll discuss the value of Cisco WebEx and Cisco Spark in providing better collaboration solutions for your customers. Let's start by looking at Cisco WebEx. Imagine you're a salesperson and need to respond to a request for a proposal or RFP within a short time frame. You need to spend time with each specialist, such as pricing and ordering specialist, to collect all the data. Your deadline may be jeopardized for that reason. To avoid such issues, you will rather try to get together with broad groups of people to discuss particular initiatives or present completed work to stakeholders. These structured meetings can happen in the same room, but today they happen more often over broad distances and locations. There's an emerging work style today for agile teams that are bucking the existing work structures and paradigms and working more interdependently with many different project teams at the same time. These teams get work out quickly so that testing can be done to perfect the final product by or even before the deadline. These teams work with these groups both inside and outside their organizations. This work style is disrupting workflows and business processes today, but Cisco delivers solutions to support this new work style, satisfy end users, and support IT teams. This different work style is the reason why Cisco is providing different offerings to support this workflow. Cisco Jabber makes it easy and efficient to find and connect with coworkers. It supports a broad range of devices and operating systems. Cisco Spark is a new way of team collaboration that makes it easy to work and share information in a team and be part of multiple projects at the same time. And last but not least, Cisco WebEx is the preferred way to organize meetings online. It provides high-end audio, screen sharing, and video across a broad range of devices and operating systems. We will first look into Cisco WebEx and its capabilities, and later discover Cisco Spark. Cisco WebEx Meeting Center, Cisco WebEx Meetings, Cisco WebEx Training Center, Cisco WebEx Event Center, and Cisco WebEx Support Center provide content sharing, audio, and high-definition video for an easy, reliable, and secure meeting experience. WebEx offers a leading set of mobility choices, including Android, Apple iOS, Windows Phone 8, and BlackBerry. WebEx is available via the cloud on-premises and through hybrid deployment models. WebEx applications integrate with a variety of Cisco and third-party platforms and services, such as telepresence, video, third-party audio, and more. Personal meeting rooms are a unique feature of Cisco WebEx Meeting Center that allows you to have a unique address to host personal and always-on Cisco WebEx meetings. Personal meeting rooms allow your customers to have a permanent conference room with a customizable web address to join and start meetings faster. People can join by phone, through WebEx, or through a video conferencing system or soft client such as Cisco Jabber with a Cisco Collaboration Meeting Rooms or Cisco CMR cloud account. Let's take a closer look at Cisco CMR for a moment. Cisco CMR enables you to meet in your own way, rather than having to choose an option to accommodate the participant with the least sophisticated technology, like a voice-only or web conference experience. Cisco CMR provides options to enable any type of conferencing in a fully hosted cloud model or using Cisco CMR on-premises if regulatory issues require on-site infrastructure. You can also choose a hybrid option. Cisco CMR also extends the traditional web and video conferencing paradigm of scheduled meetings to empower you with the ability to instantly escalate an email, phone call, or social exchange into a meeting that includes the personalized communication that only video can bring. Cisco designed CMR to simplify the ability to create, launch, and join a meeting in any situation. You can schedule a meeting to reserve resources and get the meeting on your calendar by leveraging the existing WebEx scheduling workflows. You can create an instant meeting and pull colleagues into a meeting room on demand with Cisco Jabber or WebEx productivity tools. A meeting in your personal meeting room environment offers a familiar setup and controls, including a permanent video bridge, always-on format, and a meeting URI with 24/7 access. Regardless of how you deploy Cisco CMR, your meetings will be more effective and focused on the topic at hand. An effective meeting depends on the quality of the technology behind the meeting, its simplicity, its scalability, and its collaboration provisions. The Cisco CMR on-premises solution delivers the technology that makes meeting experiences intuitive, scalable, and flexible. High-quality video and audio are essential to creating an in-person feel. The expressions of the speaker must be clearly visible on all systems. Video conferencing adds the ability to see body language and interpret hand gestures, creating even more realistic interaction. The Cisco solution is extremely easy to use and includes intuitive features that let users personalize their screen layout views. Administrators also get a high level of control and management features that make it easy to provide the best meeting experience for every participant. Easy, effective meetings lead to higher productivity and allow people to meet from anywhere on any device and improve business agility and on-the-fly decision-making. Your customers also present a better business image with innovative, high-end systems that offer scalability and flexibility. A unified architecture allows you to extend your on-premises Cisco CMR video conferencing solution to include hybrid and cloud conferencing capabilities. Turn your on-premises video conferencing deployment into a hybrid model by including Cisco Webex Meeting Center web conferencing, or use Cisco CMR Cloud for powerful cloud-based business-quality video and web conferencing. Cisco strives to deliver a seamless experience from mobile to desktop to meeting rooms while still meeting the requirements of today's enterprise. A whole new approach to developing and delivering software is needed to accomplish this goal. Cisco is uniquely positioned to bring together the hardware, software, and network elements required to deliver on the promise of consumer sensibility with enterprise practicality. Cisco's invested in a new cloud platform, a new hybrid architecture that leverages Webex and Cisco Unified Communications assets. The Cisco Collaboration Cloud is a modern service-oriented architecture, or SOA platform, that's built for web and mobile. The Cisco Collaboration Cloud delivers ease of use that rivals consumer applications. Besides Cisco Webex meetings, there are some additional products which can be used for specific use cases. While most products can be purchased and used alone, Webex products can be combined and customized to your customer's needs. Your customer may simply need small online meetings with video conferencing and screen sharing, but you can add specialized functionality for webinars, training, or remote technical support. Your customer may need global online meetings with integrated audio that can be joined via telepresence and multiple video systems, or might want personal video meeting rooms. Cisco Webex addresses all of these needs. Webex products can be used from most devices and platforms. Mobility, ease of use, and compatibility are top priorities for Cisco Webex product developers. Webex pioneered online meetings, and now, backed by performance and reliability, Cisco is still a leader, pushing boundaries and making it easier every day to click, tap, or swipe to get things done. Cisco online meeting products have an impressive array of features. All features are standard with any paid subscription, including video conferencing with full screen, multiple feed, or side-by-side with screen sharing viewing modes. You can switch presenters, share your desktop or an application, annotate documents together, sketch ideas on a virtual whiteboard, record meetings, and organize or join meetings from your smartphone or tablet. Cisco also has best-in-class Webex solutions for events, webinars, training, and remote support. Instead of learning multiple products from different vendors, your customer can work with one vendor for all collaboration needs. And most important, Webex collaboration products are secure. Cisco has reimagined what it means to deliver secure, scalable, and reliable cloud services to the enterprise. There are 4 key tenets of the platform. Iteration allows consumer applications to deliver best-in-class experiences. To deliver that experience for IT, the platform must move at the same pace, which means cloud software upgrades multiple times per day and client upgrades multiple times per month. The Cisco Next Generation platform enables this level of upgrade service with new processes, automated deployment and hitless upgrade technologies, automated testing technologies, and metrics. Cisco customers have all kinds of collaboration solutions deployed today, along with important central assets like directories, calendars, and scheduling solutions. Fusion is the ability to integrate cloud services with on-premises assets or in partner networks to create synergistic solutions in which the results exceed the sum of the parts. By fusing the capabilities of your customers' collaboration assets with Cisco Cloud services, you can offer even better user experiences while extending the value of the customer's existing investments. Cisco is integrating directly with its market-leading Cisco Unified Communications products and with Microsoft's Active Directory and Exchange. Today, IT teams require greater levels of assurance and trust that the cloud is meeting their need for information control. Security is a key property of the new Cisco Cloud Collaboration Platform that enables encryption at rest. User content is encrypted by the client and then transmitted and stored in the cloud in encrypted format. In addition, all HTTP traffic is encrypted by default using HTTPS. Content is encrypted using Advanced Standard Encryption or AES-256 symmetric keys. Cisco's building a platform in which the ecosystem of partners, developers, and administrators are first-class citizens. The management portal user experience was designed with thought and care. Built-in partner capabilities include creating and managing trials, tracking analytics and insight concerning usage of the product, and management of the service on behalf of customers. Enterprise IT managers or their partners can provision users, track usage, and configure elements of the service such as single sign-on and directory synchronization. Developers will find the platform easy to integrate. Now let's look at the newest member of the Cisco collaboration family, Cisco Spark. A major part of the shift in the work process is the way users employ technology in the workplace. Years ago, the Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD trend emerged and was followed by Bring Your Own Application, or BYOA, because of the access to applications on those devices. As users demand more access, IT departments delivered solutions to manage and secure the experiences. Email and calendaring solutions were first, and then users started to request access to more of their content and work. Now, the next wave of apps is coming to the workplace. With the same ease that you can message, talk, and share in your personal life, new apps are fostering simple, team-focused collaboration experiences that broaden information sharing and communication with multiple people inside and outside an organization. Adoption of these apps is primarily driven by agile workers and teams. However, while these apps provide easy-to-use, consumer-grade experiences, there's often a trade-off in security and manageability that IT teams require. Are your customers seeing this trend in their organizations? And more important, how are those customers addressing this trend? To address the needs of agile workers and IT teams that want to provide relevant solutions in a secure and reliable way, Cisco launched Cisco Spark in March 2015. The Cisco Spark experience centers on secure virtual rooms with viral and simple mobile messaging as the foundation. However, as in the business world, these rooms are not single-purpose rooms. Teams can also share files and have face-to-face meetings, making Cisco Spark the best way to message, share, and meet with different teams all in one place. Most importantly, the Cisco Spark experience can be deployed and managed by IT teams to add security and manageability. Gartner considers Cisco Spark to be among a select group of products actively going to market in the new enterprise mobile messaging market. In its July 2015 report, Gartner predicts by 2018, 50% of team coordination and communication will occur via mobile group collaboration apps. This market is emerging quickly, and Cisco Spark has some unique advantages. Spark lets anyone join a group chat or team room without a complicated setup, permissions, platform requirements, and so on. Cisco Spark is extremely easy to use, with one view of all teams and topics. Spark does messaging, has native business document sharing and video conferencing capabilities, and includes added security features that go well beyond those of consumer chat applications. Let's look at Cisco Spark in detail. The Cisco Spark application simplifies teamwork by making communication seamless. You can send messages, share files, and meet with different teams all in one place. Instantly create workspaces called rooms with another person or with a group, so it's easier to reach decisions. Rooms come equipped with persistent and secure messaging and file sharing, and teamwork is accessible anytime and from any device. Face-to-face meetings with screen sharing accelerate decision-making. Everyone can keep track of what's going on through notifications and a searchable, sortable room list. Anyone can use the Cisco Spark application and easily add others by simply entering their name or email address. Cisco Spark has many key features. You can send unlimited messages to keep the conversation going with another person or with the team, and easily pull in photos or documents and preview files instantly. You can review a history of messages and files so that everyone can always be up to date, regardless of time zone or location. Cisco Spark also lets you start face-to-face meetings with screen sharing to accelerate decision-making, and the attendees can participate from a mobile device, computer, or even a browser from anywhere, anytime. And the attendees can participate from a mobile device, computer, or even a browser for anywhere, anytime collaboration. You can also work securely with end-to-end encryption so that only the intended recipients can read what you share, and you can lock rooms to monitor who can participate and what's shared. Cisco Spark also has a new administrative portal with single sign-on, directory synchronization, analytics, and much more. When you remove the technology from collaboration and put creative people together, sparks fly. Cisco Spark is just the beginning of making collaboration and teamwork simpler, so you can do your best work together. Teams are scattered everywhere. Technology brings people together, but not always in a way that includes the right people on urgent, time-sensitive projects. Cisco Spark breaks down the barriers to collaboration and makes it incredibly simple to work with anyone. You can get everyone together in a room by simply adding names or email addresses. New users receive an email to download Spark and enter the room. Take a look at the YouTube video at the first URL at the bottom of this illustration to see how this Spark feature works. Spark delivers an easier way to work with all your teams. In a single experience, you can easily access all your team workspaces. The room list is searchable and is sorted in chronological order based on the most recent activity, so you can easily stay up to date. You can set up favorites for quicker navigation or use sorting to show recent, unread, or favorites in a single view. When you connect your calendar on your mobile device, you can keep track of all your upcoming business meetings in the Cisco Sparks Meeting tab. WebEx meetings can be joined from this tab with the click of a button. You can also create a room around any of your listed calendar entries so you and your teams have a place to work together before and after the meeting. The new room is created with the same name as your calendar entry and includes all the appropriate people. You can see this feature in action at the second YouTube URL at the bottom of this illustration. Improved productivity is the nirvana of any good collaboration tool. Although many products today greatly reduce project cycles, users are still clamoring for better, more intuitive experiences that enable them to quickly get work done together. With Cisco Spark, users can view shared files instantly without having to download them, so important details are available immediately, especially while on the go. Perhaps you remember a time when you were in a physical room and someone asked you to take a picture of all the cool stuff on the whiteboard. After you took the picture, it probably just stayed on your phone. But now you can take that picture and immediately post it to your virtual whiteboard in any of your Spark rooms. While mobile, simply tap to add a new or old photo or even a file right from your cloud storage sites. Just drag and drop or upload a file on a desktop or the web. Spark is the one place to work for many reasons, but especially because your files and messages are stored in your rooms, making it easy to review the history of previous content. When necessary, messages and files you post can be deleted later. Finally, Cisco Spark is available on virtually any device, even from a browser, with an easy-to-use, consistent experience across all of the unique applications. When working together, there are times when seeing other people and the items they're working on is critical. In Cisco Spark, you can have a one-to-one video call with another person or initiate a meeting in rooms with up to 25 people with a paid subscription to bring everyone together to gain quick alignment when making decisions. You can simultaneously view the active speaker video and screen sharing. During a one-to-one call or team meeting, users can add a guest participant to the call who is not already part of the room. These guest participants do not have access to the history of shared messages and files. You can scan a meeting roster to see who has already joined a meeting by displaying their profile photos. During a meeting, you can multitask by sending messages and sharing files while you talk. Drop in a note about the presentation or document you're working on so you can easily remember the key points later. Finally, meetings can be joined anytime in progress, enabling you to participate when the time is right for you. You can also utilize this feature to shift locations in the event you need to move a call between devices. Only you and the people you work with should be able to read what you share. The Cisco Spark service uses end-to-end encryption with algorithms that are common in solutions that protect national security systems, so that only the intended recipients can read shared messages and files. The Cisco Spark service also protects the confidentiality of shared content by allowing access only to authorized and authenticated recipients. This functionality restricts the viewing of messages and files in Cisco Spark rooms to participants who have authenticated with the service. Unauthorized participants that try using the URL of the room will not be able to see what has been shared. What makes Spark unique is that it's not just another application. It's a service that's driven by a cloud platform that rapidly delivers innovative and engaging experiences for users while maintaining high levels of security and connections to important existing investments. This helps drive continual value for both end users and IT administrators, so that IT and business leaders can focus less on how to make technology work and more on how collaboration can enable business process transformation. In this module, we saw an overview of Cisco WebEx, Cisco Spark, and Cisco CMR, and how you can integrate these applications with Cisco midsize collaboration solutions to drive the best outcome for your customers. We hope that the material in this module has provided you with a better understanding of how you can increase the value of Cisco midsize collaboration solutions. Let's move on to the last module, Best Practices, Business Use Cases, and References. Hello and welcome to the Best Practices, Business Use Cases, and Sales Support Resources module, the last module of the Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions for Account Managers course. This module describes some scenarios and customer use cases and identifies supporting material and sales support links and tools. In this module, we'll discuss the following topics: Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions deployment scenarios and best practices, customer business use cases and success stories, and available sales tools and other resources. Let's start by looking at some deployment scenarios and best practices. The first example involves a very small environment with a small headquarters office and 2 remote locations. In this case, the Cisco Business Edition 6000 Small Density Model or Cisco BE6000S is appropriate. You can use Cisco Unified Survivable Remote Site Telephony or Cisco Unified SRST functionality in the routers at the remote locations to ensure that calls can be made if the wide area network is down. Even with this small setup, your customer has full Cisco Unified Communications functionality, including telephony, video calling, instant messaging and presence, and Cisco Jabber. Cisco Unified Communications Mobile and Remote Access are at the core of the Cisco Collaboration Edge architecture and allow endpoints like Cisco Jabber to have their registration, call control, provisioning, messaging, and presence services provided by Cisco Unified Communications Manager or Cisco Unified CM when the endpoint is not within the enterprise network. The Cisco Expressway series provides secure firewall traversal and line-side support for Cisco Unified CM registrations. In example 2, the environment is larger with more users and devices, and the Cisco Business Edition 6000 High-Density Model, or Cisco BE6000H, is the best choice. This example includes 2 Cisco BE6000H devices to provide high availability. This solution also offers enterprise-grade flexibility and scalable solutions with Cisco WebEx and Cisco Spark. Cisco Expressway Series gateways are designed specifically for comprehensive collaboration services that are provided through Cisco Business Edition 6000 and provide established firewall traversal technology that helps redefine traditional enterprise collaboration boundaries. Cisco Expressway Series gateways provide remote, single sign-on access to all collaboration workloads for mobile users and teleworkers without the need for a virtual private network or VPN client. Cisco Expressway enables business-to-business and business-to-consumer collaboration and facilitates Cisco Cloud connectivity on-premises and via third-party video systems to the Cisco WebEx Cloud. Cisco Expressway Series gateways offer proven and highly secure firewall traversal technology that extends your customer's organizational reach. Deployment can be virtual or as an appliance, and many Cisco IP phones, Cisco Collaboration Desk endpoints, and Cisco Jabber for smartphones, tablets, and desktops are supported. Cisco Expressway Series gateways complement Bring Your Own Device or BYOD strategies and policies for remote and mobile workers with standards-based, highly secure access. Cisco preferred architectures provide recommended deployment models for specific market segments based on common use cases. These architectures incorporate products from the Cisco collaboration portfolio that are best suited for the targeted market segment and defined use cases. These architectures provide prescriptive, out-of-the-box deployment models and are built to scale with an organization as its business needs change. This prescriptive approach simplifies the integration of multiple system-level components and lets an organization select the deployment model that best addresses its business needs. The Cisco Preferred Architecture for Mid-Market Collaboration Design Overview document is for sales teams that design and sell collaboration solutions, and for customers and sales teams who want to understand the overall collaboration architecture, its components, and general design best practices. Cisco has invested a lot of resources to design, build, and test validated solutions. Cisco validated designs greatly reduce the risk of design and implementation, while at the same time provide additional insight and knowledge around best practices. The Cisco Mid-Market Collaboration Cisco Validated Designs provide detailed design and step-by-step deployment information for collaboration solutions built on the Cisco Business Edition 6000. These Cisco validated designs are based on the core recommendations of the preferred architectures, and in some cases, they offer additional solution designs as extensions or alternatives to the preferred architectures. Now let's look at some scenarios where Cisco midsize collaboration solutions have been successfully deployed and implemented. These examples will help you better understand how to uncover opportunities and position Cisco collaboration with your customers. Creation of your own customer use cases is also a great best practice to leverage as part of your own sales efforts. Headquartered in Calgary, Alberta, Bellatrix Exploration Limited is an oil and gas company operating in the Western Canadian Sedimentary Basin and is publicly traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange and New York Stock Exchange under the symbol BXE. Bellatrix has nearly doubled in size over the last 4 years. With more growth on the horizon, the company's IT team recognized that its legacy network could not support a rapidly expanding footprint. This lack of scalability arose from two major factors. First, Bellatrix depended on multiple vendors to supply a heterogeneous array of hardware and software across its IT environment, often resulting in a lack of interoperability among key network components. At the same time, Bellatrix continued its aggressive acquisition strategy, leaving IT staff with the difficult task of integrating disparate personnel, processes, and technology into a cohesive environment for maximum efficiency and scale. With many new users entering the network, the Bellatrix IT team saw the need for smarter collaboration tools to facilitate richer, more productive interactions among a rapidly expanding community of employees, vendors, and customers. Such tools would be especially helpful in maintaining a stronger connection to the company's facilities in Drayton Valley, reachable by a 3.5-hour drive into the Canadian prairies. However, advanced collaboration tools would have placed even greater pressure upon Bellatrix's overstressed network, contributing to the ongoing problem of limited scale. To summarize the challenges, due to Bellatrix's recent and projected growth, the company's IT team recognized that its legacy network could not support a rapidly expanding footprint. In response, the IT team wanted to upgrade the legacy network to support rapid growth, pursue a unified collaboration strategy for maximum interoperability across the network, and deploy new infrastructure capable of scaling to accommodate mergers and acquisitions in rapid fashion. Cisco was the sole vendor capable of providing a full suite of enterprise-class collaboration tools perfectly integrated with an advanced network. The solution consisted of Cisco Business Edition 6000, Cisco Jabber as a soft client, and Cisco Telepresence for business video capabilities. The Cisco solution, together with partner services, resulted in greater consistency through a unified collaboration environment with a simple solution from a single vendor, increased productivity and improved efficiency through integrated communication channels, and peace of mind through implemented wireless technologies in remote areas to assist in disaster recovery efforts. Established in 1910 and based in Bern, Switzerland, Intercantonal Reinsurance, or IRV, is a joint venture of the Public Insurance Companies for Buildings, or PIB. IRV provides cost-efficient reinsurance for the PIBs and grants access to the international reinsurance markets, consequently deals with all the reinsurance needs of the PIBs, and has become the center of competence for PIB reinsurance. IRV is a reinsurance enterprise working with reinsurance companies all around the world. Historically, the firm relied on traditional telecommunications channels such as phone, fax, and email. In 2012, as the company's existing phone system was nearing 9 years of age, it decided that the time was right to introduce new unified communication tools such as Presence and instant messaging. The main goal was to improve efficiency and productivity while enabling better team collaboration. The implemented solution was Cisco Business Edition 6000, combined with Cisco Unity, Jabber, and Telepresence to enable collaboration via voice, video, instant messaging, and web conferencing. Most employees can now communicate using Cisco Jabber on their mobile devices. Those employees can be contacted and can stay in touch more easily while away from the office, improving workflows and responsiveness throughout the company. Communications and decision-making have also been transformed. Previous time delays experienced with phone, fax, and email have been significantly reduced. Employees have greater choice in how they interact and can see when colleagues are available and their preferred means of contact. Overall, the results have been significant. Employees are up to 20% more efficient. The reception video system was upgraded while saving about $88,000 compared to a full replacement. The new homogeneous standardized system provides better availability, and maintenance costs are significantly reduced compared to the previous system. Finally, let's look at the other tools, links, and information that are available to help you successfully sell Cisco midsize collaboration solutions. In the community pages, you can find all of the relevant information like frequently asked questions or FAQs and the Cisco Business Edition 6000 Partner Sales Guide. The Cisco Business Edition 6000 Partner Sales Guide includes a set of materials designed to help sales teams position and sell Cisco Business Edition 6000 solutions to customers. Make sure that you have access to this site and visit it frequently. It's a very powerful landing page to get to further information. Selling Collab Portal is a very interesting web page that's available for partners online and offline. It provides talking points, industry trends, and arguments for selling collaboration to stakeholders in various verticals that help you direct the conversation with your customers. Go to the URL shown here or download the Android or Apple iOS application. Cisco D-Cloud provides customers, partners, and Cisco employees with a way to experience Cisco solutions. From scripted, repeatable demos to fully customized labs with complete administrative access, Cisco D-Cloud can help you understand and explain Cisco midsize collaboration solutions to your customers. Finally, let's take a look at the other links to find information and tools for Cisco midsize collaboration solutions. This figure shows the Cisco Business Edition 6000 product homepage. You have a number of sales resources available, including Partner Sales Guide, Partner Resources, Case Studies, Partner Community, Cisco Promotions and Incentive, and Migration Overview. There are a few additional resources that provide assistance when designing the Cisco midsize collaboration solutions, including Collaboration Virtual Machine Placement Tool, DocWiki for technical information, and Support Forum. In this module, we looked at some use cases and success stories from customers that are using Cisco Business Edition 6000 and Cisco Collaboration and the results they achieved by implementing and using this platform. We also looked at tools, links, and sales support resources that you can use to further enhance your understanding of the Cisco midsize collaboration solutions and help in your daily sales activities. We hope that the material in this module has provided you with a better understanding of the best practices, business use cases, and references that relate to the Cisco midsize collaboration solutions. Congratulations! You've completed the Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions for Account Managers course. In this course, you examined the features, functions, and advantages of Cisco Business Edition 6000 and its business benefits. You also gained an understanding of the Cisco Business Edition 6000 services that can improve the customer business case and reduce total cost of ownership.